Hi everyone, in the front of me I've got INFINIX Note 30 and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So let's start with opening the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, but no worries because this operation is similar in all other browsers. So basically you will be able to recreate the steps in your browser based on this tutorial. So let's open the browser, tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner, which is right here as you can see, and enter the history. And as you can see, this is the list of all previously visited websites, and of course if you want to, you can remove them manually one by one just by tapping on this X button. But if this list is too long to do it manually, then I highly recommend to tap on Clear Browsing Data. And here we've got some basic and advanced options. In basics we've got browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files. And in advanced also saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. If you want to remove something, just make sure that it is marked. So I will remove everything. We can also change the time range from last hour to, for example, all time. If you're ready, tap on Clear Data, and as you can see, the history is empty, which simply means that we just successfully and automatically removed everything from it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.